Finding the percent or whole with a percent proportion. We can create a percent proportion just like we did when turning a fraction into a percent, which means we have our part to whole, which is a fraction, set equal to the percent over 100. We first need to identify the part and whole amounts to fill in the proportion. Remember that the part is a percent of the whole, and the percent of the whole is the part. So when you have a question that asks what percent of 40, or 10 is what percent of 40, you can match it up with these sentences to know where everything goes. So the part is 10 because both of those are before the word is, and we fill it into the top of our first fraction. So 10 goes in the top left of our proportion. The whole, so we have the part is a percent of the whole. So 10 is what percent of 40. That means 40 is our whole amount. And we fill that in to the whole amount of our fraction. So 40 goes in the bottom left. Now we're looking for the percent, which is in between is and of. And that is unknown. So the percent is what we are looking for. In this case, we will go from 40 to 100, which is kind of difficult because you have to multiply by 2 and 5/10 on the top and the bottom, and it gives us 25%. Another way that you can do this is you can take your fraction 10/40, and you can simplify, giving you 1/4, which is a benchmark fraction of 25%. You can also take your 10/40 and divide them. 10 divided by 40, which will give you 25/100, which is 25%. So 10 is 25% of 40.